Today, I want to talk to you about how to actually make a killer YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or you've been struggling to grow your channel, this video is going to give you all the tips and tricks you need to succeed. YouTube profile. First impressions matter, and your profile picture is the first thing viewers see when they come across your channel. It's like the cover of a book, so it needs to be eye-catching and represent your brand. Choose a clear and high-quality photo that reflects your channel's niche and personality. You can use free tools such as Canva to create it. Remember, your profile picture is your visual identity on YouTube, so make it count. YouTube banner. Your channel banner is like the billboard for your channel. It's an excellent opportunity to show off your creativity and give viewers a taste of what they can expect from your content. Use engaging visuals, vibrant colors, and include your channel name and a tagline that sums up what you're all about. You want to make sure your banner stands out and represents your brand accurately. Again, you can use Canva to create it for free. Channel bio. Your channel bio, although not as important as the first two I mentioned, is still your opportunity to introduce yourself to potential subscribers. Keep it concise, punchy, and give viewers a clear idea of what they can expect from your content. Use keywords related to your niche and sprinkle in your unique personality. Remember, the goal is to hook the viewer and make them want to explore your channel further. SEO optimization. Now, let's talk about one of the most essential aspects of growing your YouTube channel, tags and SEO optimization. Utilizing relevant tags in your video descriptions, titles, and tags section helps your content rank higher in search results. Think about the words and phrases that your target audience would search for and include them strategically. This will help you attract more organic views and reach the right audience. You can use many tools for free, such as TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or TunePocket. I'll leave a link in the description if you would like to check these out for free. There you have it, a quick, comprehensive guide on how to make a killer YouTube channel that stands out from the crowd. Remember, consistency, quality content, and engaging with your audience are key to building a successful channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and have a great day.